Today I am replacing the daytime running light bulbs on my 996.2. So I'm going to start off with the right hand side. First you remove this. It turns counterclockwise to remove it. And you just kind of peel it back and then take this off. Once you remove that black plunger, there's this tool that comes with your emergency toolkit, and you just put this end into the hole. Once it's in there and you feel like it bites, you turn it clockwise and it will release the headlight. After that, the headlight just kind of comes out. Ta-da! Once you have the headlight out, you remove this cap. I kind of did it already, cheating. And then it will expose the daytime running light. Then pull it out. So mine didn't have a bulb in it, so I'm replacing the bulb now. And here's what it looks like with some light on the side of the headlamp. Daytime running light right there. Reinstallation is pretty easy, so you just have to make sure you line it up with these tabs here. Here's another one here, and it slides right back in there. And once you get the headlight slid back in, you turn this counterclockwise to lock it back in. Boom. Snap means locked. That's it. Then just replace it and you're good to go. Oh man, that looks good. I love it. Wow, that looks really good. Awesome. Okay, perfect.